Another disappointing defeat. I have to say, boy, I tell them, when we lose the game, I know, may I be honest, people, I feel way, way worse when we lose the youth games than when the Reggae Boyz then lose. I don't know why, I not sure what. I try to understand the reason why that is the case. I don't know. But, I don't know. Jamaica 0, Costa Rica 3. Again, that I thought that we could have definitely bounced back. So I'm just going at the diarrhea. We got to take out the order of proceedings, how things went, and the result. First of all, let me just have a look at the starting lineup. Now we saw a few changes from the first game. We have Joshua Grant in goal, Avery Grange, Nation Bolt Barrett, Christopher Ainsworth, Jevin Williams, Adrian Reid, Mackay Welch, Fabian Reynolds, Dustin Cohen, Orion Watson, and Nashardo Gibbs. Now, this time around, maybe we can do a little bit of player ratings. I think we can do a bit of player ratings for this one. So stick around, I do player ratings at the end of the video. Because one, let me tell you why. Why I do player ratings at the end of the video. I are forced to know. Listen to most of the video. I are forced to know. Because on YouTube has said most of them are cut for after 3 minutes. So I do player ratings at the end of the video. So I are forced to know. If you see around. Two, I think this game deserves a player ratings. The performance was bad, but was it that bad? Was it that horrible? So that's why I think them deserve a player ratings for this one. Couldn't do it for the first game. I couldn't do it at all. Anyways, let the ball rolling. So we saw a few changes from the first game. New players come in, new fresh face. And I thought that, this look like we can do something. Personally, I thought that we started off the game quite good. I honestly believe that we started off the game quite good. It was decent, I should say. We didn't look that shaky like the first game. After 7 minutes, we weren't under 2 love. So that, kind of build some confidence. And the game prolonged. I think it was a good start. After 12 minutes, there was a tactical move by the coach. See the keeper go down. Players run across to the coach. Did them look set up. Then now, 18th minute of the game, we started some real action. A double save from Joshua Grant. And the second one, he basically took up the ball off our line. Which I thought was a really good showing. It was a really good showing. Joshua Grant literally almost had the best game I've seen him play in a long while. Very unfortunate. Is it the second goal? Very unfortunate, the second goal. I definitely thought that he should have done a little better on that one. The ball literally went under his hand. But I thought overall, it was a good performance. I'm not giving the ratings yet. To Joshua. But don't know. So next up, in the 27th minute, Orion Watson came off the pitch. I saw him got a knock earlier. I didn't thought it was serious. He went down, get back up and continue playing. Then he went over to the line where he just could not continue. Worrying days. I know say the people them down in Clarendon, Glenmuir, real Glenmuir Madrid, supposed to worry. Hopefully it's not that serious. So I wish him a speedy recovery. I thought that he was actually having a decent couple minutes so far in the game. So he had to came off. We saw Nile came on. Now as the game proceeds, 33 minutes, Nile got a shot set up by Gibbs. I do think that he should have taken that shot a little bit earlier. He just a slight delay on that one and gave the defender enough time to came across and block it. And I thought it was the glancing edge from Gibbs. I thought that was really good. Personally, for the first half, Gibbs was really good. Means that him run is really good. Unfortunately, some of the final aspect of the game, the final third never come off as we wanted to. But I thought Gibbs was really good in the first half. 39th minute. Costa Rica almost scored. I got a wonderful cross to the back post. Player kick the ball a little bit wide by himself. Kick it wide. 40th minute. Another chance for Costa Rica. So the game I go me kind of write them down. 45 minutes. No, we started the game okay. I thought that the last 10 minutes of the first half was our best period of the game. We looked dangerous. Adrian Reed grew into the game during that time period. Gibbs as well, heavily involved. Dustin Cohen. We saw during that time period, we saw a series of passes put together, pulling the Costa Rica team apart. And that's goes to show us, wow, we have something we want to work with. Just was not consistent enough. Now, second half start. Penalty. Now, I do believe that Adrian Reed, where this penalty is concerned, he has to take a little bit of the responsibility here. It was literally a soft pass onto the opponent's feet, and just as the opponents receive the ball, get past Reed, and same time Barrett or Bolt came into the frame, trying to make the first tackle and trip the player. Referee blows penalty, and was wonderfully taken. Not much the goalkeeper can do. Not much the goalkeeper can do about that. So as the game proceeds, Costa Rica start growing to the game, start creating more chance, and start cause some problem for us. On the 61st minute, Avery Grange had a goal line save. I don't know if you remember that, but boy, that was good defensive instinct to get behind Joshua Grant and clear that one off the line. His first intent was just get behind Joshua Grant, go to the goal. And that was some good defensive instinct there. 64th minute, that's when Adrian Reed went down. That's when Reed went down, and apparently he couldn't continue. He didn't came under any contact still, so I'm kind of worried, because when a player go down without contact, you have to worry about that. Those are not necessarily good injuries. So speedy recovery, Reed. Hopefully it's not nothing serious where the judges heights have to worry about. And speedy recovery, so hopefully he can recover, can see him back in the next game. He's the captain. Oh, people, Reed, tell them if you get something for the armband, because the armband too big. You see your hand a little bit, bro. Get something for your armband, man. Your armband, you wear armband as a wristband. Get something for the armband, man, so you can see it on the hand. 66 minutes. Oh, yes. The goal scored in the 66 minutes. The front post. Him hit it hard, but not lie. Edge of 18-yard boxing. Really, really driving foot through it. It was short. Grass cutter. And I thought that Joshua Grant should have done a lot better there. This was actually one of his errors, I have to say. 68 minutes, Ashton came on for Cohen. Brian Berkey came on also for Reynolds. And Big Nell came on for Reed. I thought that they took too long to bring on Reed as well. I should have done a little bit faster. No, on the 71st minute, Welch got a red card. No, I'm really, really wondering what was the red card about. It's puzzling. All I saw was just gesticulating to the referee that, like I said, he pushed me in the back, like just I said, he pushed me. Referee just never like that. Just take out a red card. I said, what? But I don't think he said anything out of man, because, well, me can't read lips still, but me see it just the way man make. It's making a gesture, said, he pushed me in the back. That's all he was saying to the referee. Both players walked away. All of a sudden, like somebody tell the referee something that he is. Me don't know. But just red, that was uncalled for. Straight red too. Couldn't give him a second yellow. And does that warrant a red card unless he says something extremely out of manner? And I do believe that needs some thorough investigation. I think the JFF need to go and question the referee what happened at that moment. Because if the player says something, spoke out of manner, straight red or second yellow? Answer that in the comment section. That one is kind of strange to me, and I didn't like it. 88 minute, Joshua Grant. Yeah, I think sometimes he kind of take too many touches, almost get caught on the ball a few times. Yeah. 82nd minute. That's when the third goal score. We're caught in transition. A ball play straight across the field. Get caught in transition down on the left-hand side. The player with the left foot, it was a beautiful cross. Beautiful cross. I'm not going to be, I'm not, hey, a beautiful cross. And the finish of the volley was immaculate. Very unfortunate we score against. I couldn't we score it, but so you go. Anyways, I jump into some player ratings. I jump into some player ratings. I start the player ratings for the first team. Gibbs. I thought Gibbs had a good game. So because we lose, so the maximum I'm going to go is 7. I'm going to say Gibbs is a 6. Maximum I go 7. Watson didn't have too long on the field, so I'm going to give Watson a 5. Dustin Cohen, I thought he was okay. I give Dustin Cohen a 5.5. So maximum of 7 people. Remember that. I thought Reynolds was okay. He showed moments where he can do something. I do believe that his end product though has to do a bit better on its end product. I'm going to give Reynolds a 6 as well. Mackay Welch, who was definitely one of our best players on the pitch. Overall, it was fouled so often. I'm going to say Welch a 6.5. Reed, I thought Reed had a much better game this time around. A much better game this time around. Gave away the penalty. You can see he was a bit frustrated though. I'm going to say Reed a 6. Javin Williams, I thought Javin Williams had a good game as well. I'm going to say a 6 as well for Javin. Ainsworth had a good game. I'm going to say a 6 for Ainsworth. Bolt. Not sure. I'm going to say a 5.5 for Bolt. Grange. Thought Grange had a fairly decent game. I'm going to give him a 5.5. And Joshua Grant, I'm going to give him a 6.5. So 3 players get 6.5. No, 3 players get 6. 2 get 6.5. Is Welch and Grant. Quite a few players get 6, like Reynolds, Jevin, Ainsworth. Yeah. And Gibbs. Should I give Gibbs 6.5? I thought Gibbs was really good, you know. I think he was the most dangerous player we have in the attacking third. 6.5, 6.5. Maximum of 7 of people. Nobody don't get 7. I'm going to give Gibbs 6.5. So Gibbs. So these are the standout players. Gibbs, Welch, and Grant. Gibbs, Welch, and Grant. I thought Gibbs was really good. He looked extremely dangerous. 1 and 2 moments and couldn't touch him. But, so you go. Anyways, that's it for the player ratings, people. If you don't agree, no problem. Go in the comment section, drop your player ratings. People who know so want to win. I know so want to go on to 5 point, 2 point and 1 and then something. Fine, no problem. This is my player ratings. So what you do with your player ratings, drop in the comment section. Anyways, MG Sports TV. Another sad day, another sad loss. Tough. The business of football is really tough. Big up on yourself, people. Hit the like button. Overall team performance, probably about 2. Yeah, it was better than the last time versus USA. USA 0, so they get 2 now. I think that's better. I'll see. Why? I don't know. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. See you guys again. Until next time. MG Sports TV. God bless or out. Boom.